So what I have here is a Lenoxx Sound, I believe that's how you pronounce it, model CD-149. The last 14 years I've had this has gone through a lot of hell and back. Um, First thing I want to mention though is, if you've noticed with the CD player, there's the ring for the magnetic hold on a CD, but as you can see here, you got the little balls to snap it in place, and that's because I had to replace this whole thing because the original laser assembly died. So I had a really junk CD player, fairly new, it was a piece of crap, and I took it out of that and put it in this. And so, I mean, there's no big deal. You can snap the disc in place rather than using that, but that's still there for, support and shit, even though you don't need it. I'm not going to take it out. Now, the CD laser from this CD player that I took it from it's a piece of crap. So the laser likes to cut out a lot and malfunction. So I'll have to replace it again with something different later on down the road. But uh, it still works to a certain degree. You can see the CD spinning in there, and it reads it. But after a while of a little bit of playing, it doesn't really like to do a whole hell of a lot. So. And after like it wants to find its place, and keep in mind the CD is never mind, there it is. The CD is clean, so there's nothing wrong with it. It's just the laser takes forever. And sometimes I don't even get lucky enough to find the second track, which is doing right now, so that's a good thing. At least it's making it a better video. Yes, this is ABBA's gold greatest hits. And it's taking a while to find its place because it's a crap laser from a crap system, from a crap manufacturer. Usually it will say no or give up. Huh, it found its place. Good. Anyway, so yeah, 14 years of abuse, and I had to replace the CD player mechanism. And it looks like I have to replace the belt to the tape player soon because it's a weak piece of crap. But, no antenna, but let's see what I get for the radio. Take me New Country, the big 97.5 WOKQ, Dover, Rochester, Portsmouth, 97.9 W250AB. Look at us, even if you're not far away. So it does all right for no antenna on the back of that thing. And as for the tape player part, the belts are so weak. Either that or the motor is a hunk of shit. Listen to this. Now, if I put pressure on the pause lever before it clicks into place, it sounds normal. So, the tape player is not the greatest thing of this unit, but I had this unit for 14 years, and yeah, so that's the we call it Lenoxx Sound Model CD-149. All right. Oh, actually, no, and of course, the thing is going to be showing upside down. So hold on. Nope, actually, I was right the first time. Jesus Christ. Hey, manufactured September 2001. Oh, look at that. That's the month of the big ass tragedy we had involving the Twin Towers and Pentagon, and yeah. Ah, that's the curse month, I call it. Ah, wonderful. Anyway, and it takes 8 Ds to friggin' power this thing. Yeah. So, but that's the Lenoxx Sound boombox. All right, later.